The JustSmart 24000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heater is the ultimate solution for powerful, year-round comfort in large spaces. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're battling the summer heat or winter chill, this high-efficiency system delivers consistent climate control with quiet precision. This unit packs a strong 24,000 BTU punch, easily managing temperatures in rooms up to 1,500 square feet, perfect for master bedrooms, open living areas, or office spaces. With a CR2 rating of 19 and inverter technology, it offers significant energy savings compared to standard systems. That means lower electricity bills and a lighter environmental footprint, all while maintaining optimal comfort. The JustSmart Mini Split unit also comes with both cooling and heating modes, making it a four-season companion for your home or workspace. One of the standout features is the included smart connectivity. Whether you use Alexa, Google Home, or the mobile app, controlling your indoor climate is effortless and intuitive. You can activate turbo cooling on a hot day or switch to sleep mode at night, all without leaving the couch. Additional options like humidity control, auto restart, and programmable timers give you complete customization to suit any lifestyle or room schedule. Despite its high performance, the system is whisper quiet, operating at only 32 decibels. That's quieter than a typical library, making it ideal for nurseries, home offices, or meditation zones where noise is a major concern. The system also includes a complete installation kit with all necessary accessories, such as copper lines, drain hose, and a detailed setup guide for easy DIY projects. However, professional installation is still recommended for safe electrical connections and refrigerant handling. Durability is another area where JustSmart shines. The unit features rust-resistant copper coils, self-cleaning filters, and uses eco-friendly R32 refrigerant. These thoughtful design choices reduce maintenance and extend the system's lifespan, backed by a robust 5-year compressor warranty for added peace of mind. Whether you live in a coastal, humid environment or simply want a dependable system for high-usage zones, this air conditioner is built for long-term, reliable service. In summary, the JustSmart 24000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heater is an advanced, energy-efficient solution tailored for modern living. It balances performance, quiet operation, and smart control to offer exceptional value. For the latest price and details, be sure to check the link in the description below.